Now 6:58, bundle up. There's temps in the teens this morning.
Yeah, you may want to ask for a few more scarves for Christmas. It is chilly out there right now, mid-teens, but it's not just the temperature, it's the wind. We're already pretty breezy, and this is how it feels. As the wind pulls away heat from your body, it feels colder than the air temperature. So it feels like the single digits, and in Pittsfield and North Adams, it feels like it's below zero this morning. So one of our colder, if not the coldest morning of the season so far. We go from 17 to 26 this afternoon with a mix of sun and clouds, and it goes from breezy to windy. In fact, we do have a wind advisory that begins at noon until 8 o'clock this evening for the potential for wind gusts over 40 miles per hour. A few isolated power outages are possible today, but now that the leaves are off the trees, the wind can pass through the branches a bit more easily than they could have done over the summertime. So not that much in the way of power outages here today, I don't expect. Some flurries or light snow showers early tomorrow morning may just leave a dusting or a light coating near and south of the pike. And then otherwise relatively quiet and just cool with 20s and 30s until Monday and Tuesday when we get back into the 40s. 40s last week would have felt cool. 40s next week's actually going to feel pretty good.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.